Hi everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to QA automation classes. So we're continuing our session on the path axis. So in the last session we have completed the preceding sibling and following sibling, and in this session we are going to complete two more. Those are the last like two XPath axis that I have in my list. So that is Descendant and Ancestor. Okay, so what is the Descendant? So Descendant is used to find all the child nodes. Okay, so now here on the same example, if we go right, so we have name equals to country, double slash select at the rate name equals to country, select, so right at the rate, so at the rate name equals to, so I'll say country. I've already copied. Okay, so now we have identified the parent element. Okay, so now we have to identify within that how many options are there. These are all child elements, right? So I'll say find all the child node for this parent node country, right? So now I'll say how to say, just say slash descendant. Okay, after saying the descendant, we say colon is the child node option. So when you say option, it is going to identify all four options over there. Okay, so this is nothing but the use of the descendant. Okay, so let me put this one descendant. So this is the descendant. Okay, and okay, and with the descendant, if you want to identify a particular option, right, so that also we can do. Okay, so identifying the particular, so descendant colon option, and here you can say at the rate value equals to, within the double quote I can give India. Okay, let's see, this is the, okay, so now it is identifying only India, right? So this is how you can use the descendant to identify a particular child. Okay, so this is to identify all the child, this is to identify a particular child node value. So similarly we can use the ancestors, right? So ancestor is used to identify the parent using the ancestor. Okay, so what is the use of ancestor? Let's say let's go to this example again. So let's say we have India or we have UK, whatever you have selected. First you have to select some value, and then from there you have to identify what is its parent, right? So let's do that. So select name equals to country. Okay, and let's say slash option the rate value equals to, let's say UK. So value equals to UK, and then here, okay, we can say ancestor, right? So slash ancestor. Okay, so what is the ancestor? The ancestor one is a select, right? It's a select. Ancestor is nothing but the parent, it is a select. So now when we say select, it is going to identify that particular parent. Okay, so this is how you are going to use the ancestor. These two are descendant, and this is the example of the ancestor. Okay, so hope you guys are clear. Okay, so answer where to use ancestor, where to use descendant, right? Okay, so if you want to see the sub things down, okay, in the forward direction, then you go with the descendant. If you want to go to the parent, you can go with the ancestor. Okay, so that's all to this session, guys, and we are with this we are done with all those attributes or the XPath access or the XPath functions. Okay, so if you guys have any doubt or the questions, then just put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and please practice this, guys, because XPath is the most important one and everywhere it is used, and this is most widely used locators. Okay, and with the use of this XPath accessor function, it is going to make your life really easy in the world of the automation. Okay, and please do subscribe to my channel Q Automation Classes, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section. So next session we'll start with the CSS selectors. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.